Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are starting to learn English, the verb to be is the first and the most important piece of the puzzle. Yeah, it is used all the time, but for us Brazilian, it can be a little confusing because it can mean two things, ser and estar. But don't worry, because today we are going to unlock all of its secrets. The verb to be has three forms in the present: am I, is, and are. So, it depends on the person who we're speaking for. For example, I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, you are, they are. The biggest secret here is that the contest will tell you if it's mean ser or estar. For example, if I say I am a teacher, I am saying that eu sou professor. If I am saying I am happy, eu estou dizendo que eu sou feliz. To make a negative sentence, it's very simple. You just add not after the form of the verb to be. For example, to say eu não sou professor, you would say, I am not a teacher. To say, ele não está feliz, you would say, he is not happy. And to make a question, the rule is even simpler. You just invert the order. You put the verb to be at the beginning. For example, are you happy? Você está feliz? To sum it up, the verb to be means ser or estar, and it has three forms: am I, is, and are. To make a negative sentence, add the not. To make a question, invert the order. Now it's your turn. Leave me a comment and tell me the sentence with the verb to be for your practice. Okay? And do not forget to turn on the notifications bell. You do not, and make sure you do not miss the Portuguese version of this class. I will see you in the next class. Bye.